Shelby too.
Good job, Shelby. She's doing standing crunches. Good job. Keep going, girl. Keep going. It's tough. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Way to work. Keep going. Only 8 more seconds. You can do it. Keep going. Yes, ma'am. That's it. All right. 15 seconds of rest. Prayer squats. You'll put your hands in prayer. Up and down. Oh, yeah. Good job. Those are good deep squats. Yes. Yes. Keep going. 20 more seconds of hard work. Get you in shape. Get feeling great. Okay, good job. Now you're going to run and punch. Run and punch. Now remember, I want you to punch a little and then duck. Okay, there's offense where you are fighting, and then there's defense where you're ducking and blocking. So run and punch. There you go. That's it. Okay, throw punches. I'll tell you where. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Throw some more punches. A little bit longer. A little bit longer. A little bit longer. A little bit longer. Now duck. There you go. Okay, a little more offense. A little more offense. Good girl, you're fighting, you're punching, you're moving around. There you go. You're ducking now. You're ducking. Okay, there you go. Oh, you're on the ground. Keep going. Good job. Keep running. Keep moving. Keep punching. That's why fighters are in such shape, right? This is why there's some big, strong guys and gals out there that are in shape, looking like Kayla Harrison. Lean, mean, fighting machine. There you go. Hack out that stuff that's been hanging out in the lungs. Lay down on your back. You're just going to bicycle your legs. Okay?
Okay.
Lay on your back.
This is going to be 5.
Right. Yeah, after all that work, we'll do one that's a little bit, easier. There you go. Bicycle those legs. This is still working these abdominals. Still burning some calories. Yeah. Atta girl, way to work. Good job, Shelby. Good job. Only 20 more seconds. That seems like forever, doesn't it? Doing all right? Good. All right, keep going. Come on, come on. Finish strong. Finish strong. This is where, yes, that's it. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it. That's 4 exercises, everybody. So follow Shelby along on her little exercise journey here. Give her a like. Thank you very much. Good job, Shelby. Namaste.